100 pack, and they came really nicely packed in some plastic so that in case any liquid spilled in the box, they wouldn't get wet. Yeah, they work really well. Our dog loves them.
These beds are really good. I have a golden retriever and a shih tzu. So the girls are using the pad. It really surprised me by the size. It's a great size. My golden retriever doesn't have any problems to go through it. And the best part is, say, it's not, doesn't have any pee on this side. The floor is clean, and it's really good.